Grade 9s, and welcome to a little bit of Ohm's Law math. I'm going to do this calculation two ways. The first way is using the magic triangle, and the second way is by using substitution. All right, first things first, we read our question. It says, what is the voltage? So I know I'm looking for the voltage. I'm going to put voltage in blue over here. So voltage is equal to question mark. Across a 2 ohm resistor. There's that ohms. That tells me my R is equal to 2 ohms, carrying a current of 3 amps. Remember, current is an I, so my I is equal to 3 amps. Ohm's law, if you remember, is V is equal to I times R. So the first thing I look at is I see that my voltage is actually by itself. Because it's by itself, I don't have to manipulate anything, no magic triangle, nothing, I'm good to go. I can just sub my numbers in, calculate it, and go. So I'm going to put my numbers in. So the first thing is my current is my I, which is going to be my 3 amps. So my 3 amps right here, and I'm going to multiply it by my resistance of 2 ohms. You're going to get your lovely, trusty calculator. Here's mine. Turn it on. I'm going to do 3 times 2, or you can do it in your head, which is 6. So my voltage is equal to 6, and my unit is volts. Remember, whenever you calculate something, you need to lock it and box it until that's the right answer. Now you try the next one on the next slide.